How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. We're going to be talking about everything Kaspa, so let's waste no more time and take a look at what's happening with Kaspa right now, and of course what we could be expecting as we are going into Tuesday morning. So looking across the board, we're seeing a tremendous amount of green, and again, if you've been following the channel over the last few updates, you guys know what has been happening. We are seeing quite a bit of bullish momentum shifting into the crypto markets, and as far as Kaspa is concerned, Kaspa is also reacting in a positive way, as you can see across the board. It's up about 6.5% over the course of the last 24 hours. So that's amazing to see. Of course, as far as the price is concerned, we're approaching 9 cents, also to up 2.4% in BTC comparative. Valuation at 2.35 billion and the 24-hour trading volume at about $56.2 million. But before we get into any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer, anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So if you're looking at the dominance index here, guys, dominance index is sitting at about 64.6%. So even though we're seeing Bitcoin breaking out, Bitcoin's looking amazing, dominance is still quite high. And I try to tell you guys and try to, make you guys look at it from a completely different angle. Imagine if the dominance was at the likes of 61.8% and you saw this type of move for BTC. What would have happened for altcoins? I think altcoins would have been much higher compared to where we are currently right now. So that's why you always want to factor in the BTC dominance. Now, if you're looking at Bitcoin, Bitcoin did make its way back up to $110,672. And believe it or not, our daily candle yesterday for Monday actually closed above 110,000, which is amazing to see. Of course, since then, a little bit of a minor pullback, which again is quite healthy. But, the fact that we were able to get back above 106,000 key resistance, you can really see for yourself how bullish that really was. And we are pretty much on the verge of breaking towards a new all-time high. So now if you're looking at Kaspa, on the other hand, Kaspa is still within, this red zone. We're still below this 9.5 cents key resistance. We haven't really retested that, and I think the huge reason as to why we're still not in this range is because of the fact that the dominance is still quite high. But slowly but surely, I think we are creeping up. Obviously, we're facing some key resistance coming in our way right now. And if this key resistance is able to break out, I personally think that this 9.5 cents is the next target to be looking out for. And then pretty much after that, we know the significance of that next key resistance. I spoke to you guys about that before. We saw it once again, the importance of that range. That would pretty much be that next target. But right now, I really want to see this blue zone, which we actually haven't been in pretty much since May. So pretty much since the month of June started, we did obviously come back down to this neckline of this key support line. That support did show as a significant support, and we got supported around that range, but we are yet to re-enter into this blue zone pretty much for the first time in June. So that would be great to see. Again, if you're able to see the price of Kaspa close around this range, I am targeting 10 cents price for Kaspa in the upcoming near future. So if you want to put that into perspective, that itself would be a move of another 13% from where we currently are, and that is something that I would be looking very closely for. But let me know down below what you guys think. Thank you for all your support. You guys are amazing. We'll see you later in Crypto ZX, and peace out.